Victoria Community Spotlight today. We're going to be focusing on a great local business. This is Sitka Law Group, and we're going to be chatting with Gurpreet Randhawa. She's a great lawyer here. She's going to answer some of the most common questions that my clients ask me. Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining us. I'm very happy to be joined by Gurpreet Randhawa.
You got it right that time. Proud.
Yeah. So nice to meet you.
So nice to meet you too.
Thanks a lot for joining us. Today we're going to do some question and answer. I've got a lot of questions myself. I know a lot of my clients ask me similar questions all the time. I thought it would be really informative for the people at home to be able to sit down with a lawyer and I can ask you kind of the common misconceptions and problems that people run into in the real estate transactions.
Sure.
So let's talk about maybe the 5 biggest problems that you find clients repeating over and over again and unnecessarily in real estate transactions.
Sure. So based on my experience, I would say one of the issues that comes up is clients not budgeting enough for closing costs.
Okay, so that's the first one. That was a great one. Let's see a second problem you run into a lot.
The second problem would be clients removing conditions and then calling us for advice on a contract or title.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, what's number 3?
Number 3 is signing documents on the day of closing. So some clients will call and say, my deal's closing at the end of the month, I'm going to be traveling, won't be back till the day of closing, can I sign documents then? And for a sale, we might be able to make that work, but not for a purchase.
Okay, what's number 4?
Remedies. So clients will often, not often, I shouldn't say often, but will sometimes put in an unconditional contract to make their offer competitive and not knowing whether they're going to qualify for financing. They'll often think, I'm just going to lose my deposit anyways, I'll take the risk.
I hear that a lot.
Yes, but that's not necessarily the extent of your damages. Seller can actually sue you for greater damages. Your risk is not just the deposit necessarily.
Nice.
Yeah.
And what's the last one?
Cleanliness. I find buyers sometimes when they access the property on the day of closing will be surprised at the state of the property. And what I always advise clients is, what are the terms of the contract? Does the contract provide that the seller must professionally clean the property? The seller's obligation is actually to provide the property in the state it existed when the property was viewed by the buyer.
Okay.
Yeah.
So in your 3 years, have you had any super disasters? What's the worst thing that's ever happened to you?
The worst thing that's ever happened?
Either crazy real estate deals where just
Yeah.
stuff went sideways, or you messed up and destroyed something.
I've never messed up.
So no crazy good stories, right?
I'm a boring lawyer. Yeah.
Anyone else working today? Well, Gurpreet, that was super informative. Thank you so much for answering all of our questions, and hope the folks at home learned a little something today. And you're located at Sitka Law. What's the address here?
It is Suite 202, 3750 Shelburne. So we're just at the corner of Shelburne and Cedar Hill Cross Road on the 2nd floor of Coast Capital.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah.
So for all the folks at home, if you're looking for an amazing lawyer, I highly recommend Gurpreet. She's handled lots of my clients before. They've had nothing but good things to say about her, and that's why we're here. You folks have an awesome day, and we'll see you really soon.